Ito, Wardy, oh. Big to lang ang to, tsaka Kadla. Ayos na. Kasama niya si Lisette Vizcara, Level 1 instructor. Andyan. Hi, Lisette. Joan Quintos ng Adam University Faculty and LNT Level 1. Yun, Level 1 instructor. Rain Lay Peruna and Cherry Jean Rosal, former presidents of Mountaineering and Exploration Society of Adamson University. Sumama kayo sa walk. Wow. John Michael Clarence Abando, Red Cross Youth President 2025. Ayan, palakpakan natin sila. Si Lito, at 55 years old, can be an inspiration to each and every one of us. Yeah? Ian, kung si Ian Nieva. Negative. Tawa talaga ng utak ni Gusiel. But we are really proud of you. You being a Filipino, creating such pride and for the country and us as Filipino, holding such uniqueness. Keep it up. And to your team, congratulations. Next time daw sa